My name is Árni Baldursson and I'm the manager and owner of Angling Club Laxá and I live in the capital of Iceland, Reykjavík.
Hún víst leiðin með fljótinu með flúðasöng og fuglaklið sem fyllir upp í prógrammið Röstin hvít stiklar á grjótinu hérna dífu fyrsta bæ
Tungufljót is one of major Icelandic clear water river, but it never had any salmon in the past because you can see this big waterfall here. It's a huge waterfall and the salmon were never able to run the falls. They're simply just too high for the fish. So what I did, I leased the river for a long period of time and I decided to make a fish ladder into the waterfall to able the fish to go through the falls up to the spawning ground. But there were actually no fish to go through the ladder, so I have to get the brood, the salmon stock. So I got some salmon stock from the neighbor rivers and we started by releasing very small quantity of smolts and pars, like 10,000, something like that. And the year after we already got 60 salmon coming back out of 10,000 smolts. The salmon run, we're growing and growing. The first year we got 60, then we got 180, then we got 250, then we got 400 salmon. And all of a sudden in 2008 we got 2,800 salmon landed by fly.
Ætli býð ekkert höfð